Hi guys.
Hi guys, we're in 3 a.m. right now in our fort.
Yeah.
Did you see?
Soon I'm gonna do a prank on my mom.
Yeah, but that's gonna be in the morning. And stay tuned for tomorrow's video. We're gonna do an Area 51 fort, right?
Yeah.
And still got our light on. We're just waiting to see if anything's gonna happen.
Yeah, we should shut off the.
We shouldn't shut off that. Anyways.
Is taken.
No. What the fuck was that? Anthony, what was that stuff?
What the hell was that?
What was that?
Oh no, the base is falling.
No, it's not. Fuck was that? The fuck? Yo, you heard that, right? Yo, what is... Stop. Yo, what is that?
Nathan got taken. Really? Nathan got taken by a monster. I'm gonna go save him. You go somewhere else. Okay, guys. I'm gonna go.